Yo guys, today I'm going to be busting a scammer right here, this guy. Okay, hold up. Look, this guy's like broke and he says he can give me Robux. He doesn't even have Builders Club. Another scammer probably. Or not. No, maybe not. Okay. Let me see something really quick. Here, hold on. There we go. Okay. Shout out to Pakistan YT because I actually got this idea from him. Okay, and this was just so I could be looking like a person, like, how can I say it? I don't want to look like an odor. Please, no. No. No, no, no. There we go. Guys, I want to show y'all something really quick. Just look at this. Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind. He's in jailbreak. He like sent me a link. Free no clip and money in jailbreak. And then I said that. Oh, my bad, guys. I accidentally forgot to take that bandit thing off. This guy's like, he doesn't know. Like, he's probably like 10 years old. Oh, wrong one. Okay, I'm just gonna stick with it right now because the Roblox. One with this is one, two. Okay, this guy's in order right here. And yeah. Come on. Come on, answer, dude. What dude? Answer me. Please answer. Guys, also Rip Snowman. Okay, we have another target. Saying, let's. Okay, let's see. go ahead and come on, talk to me in home chat, okay? You idiot, are you retarded? This guy has like mental issues. Just follow me. You're retarded. You're very, very retarded. Well, guess we're just gonna put a little bit of jailbreak. Since nobody's falling for it, I'll just do another video about that. I'll just find a good scammer. So, yeah. Let's just put a little bit of jailbreak. Let's at least get one robbery in, and then we're gonna be good to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. I don't want Snowman to go away and Penguin. It's just gonna be sad. No, are you playing with me right now? I hate when this stuff happens. What the? Did I just? Oh, okay. That scared me for a second. Odor. Or it's an odor. Guys, like I might be doing a face reveal at about 2K subs because a face reveal is like really big because I really don't want like stalkers and all of that, you know. I mean, you can maybe go and check out my Instagram or Twitter. Might be giving that out. Oh, sir. Alright. Okay, now keep. Let's just glitch out with Snowman really quickly. Just easy peasy. That, just like that. Let's go ahead and grab the Volt bike, and then we can go ahead and head to the bank or the jewelry store, or at least let's rob the donut shop first. And then we could grab the Volt bike, and then we can be good to go. Or we'll check on the train, see if that's available. If not, we'll just go and check out the banks and all of that. Come on. Oh, Glaggy Mouse. Well, okay, this is like crouch and C glitch, and I never had that. I think it's because I did this. No. Okay, that is not. Next episode, I will be showing y'all how to look like an odor because it's I can't talk. It'll just be funny because hopefully y'all don't be odors like some people. Just don't, please. I'll be sad if y'all are. Yep. Guess the train is not available. It is, but like we won't be able to get our full 6K. I mean 4K. Sorry. 4K and 800 since I'm VIP. Oh, dang it. Oh. Are you kidding me? Come on. Asimo, you better not be broken. I mean, Asimo, you better not be broke. Asimo. Oh, broke Asimo, sorry. And don't be broke CC there. Yeah, like, look, guys, y'all see, like, I can't. I'll show you all if I get on the plant. Look at this. Alright, y'all see? When I say regularly, that's how I look. And then when I do like that, just replay the video and then y'all see what I mean. I'm not sure if I could do it. Guys, in the comments down below, tell me if y'all want me to, if you want me to do Mythbusters. I'll be more than glad to. So feel free to just comment down. And then if yes, I'll be announcing that in the next video. And yeah, basically. Odors. Why so much odor? No wipers. Yeah, I don't want to actually put the Joey the Player on the radio. And they go like, you have no wife, you have no wife. And he just like smacks the table. Why do they camp? Just tell me, why do no wifers always camp? I just want to at least rob something. Just come on, what is this for? Copyright. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god, I forgot about that. Elves. Losers. Alright. There we go. Okay, guys, I think I'll just be ending off the video here. And I guess, I don't know. I guess, y'all, alright, BC expired. RIP BC. Alright. Okay, BC expired. RIP Builders Club, but I will be getting like OBC maybe even this week. I don't know. I'll just see when I can get OBC or something like that, or maybe just some more Robux or BC. Probably OBC and some Robux. Well, if y'all enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and RIP. I only have 1 Robux. I wish this could be this much Robux. I wish. No. I wish it could be this much. Return. Whoa. Okay, it's not working for some reason. Well, if y'all enjoyed, make sure to go subscribe, leave a like, drop a like on the video, I guess I already said that, and turn on bell notifications so you never miss any content, and peace, YouTube!